How to fix Amazon app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between your networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Heading towards next solution, update Amazon app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Amazon and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here you're gonna find different apps. Find the app Amazon, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If all the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. Once completion of its deletion process, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Amazon and download it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Amazon A to Z app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.